We are live now. People joining. Vidushi, Mummy, hello. Sanket, Papa, Srishti. Hello everybody. Shivain, Saurabh. And there is one more name that is hidden. Hello Shivain. Hello Saurabh. Hello Kuldeep. कैसे हैं आप लोग सब? कैसा चल रहा है सबका? वर्क फ्रॉम होम? Hello Tauji. So people are gathering here. Thank you so much people who are joining. मेरे friends जिन्होंने भी join किया, thank you. Family, thank you. We'll just start in a minute because अभी लोग join कर ही रहे हैं. So work for home, Srishti? Yes. So it's actually a combination of both. Work from home and work for home. तो जितने भी लोग वर्क फॉर होम कर रहे हैं उनके लिए भी, और जो वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हैं उनके लिए भी. हेलो शांकी, हेलो गौरव. संकेत, फाइनली घर का खाना. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. सो इट्स ग्रेट कि घर का खाना मिल रहा है. उससे अच्छा तो कुछ भी नहीं है. परफेक्ट. सो पीपल आर गैदरिंग एंड आई थिंक अभी जितने मैंने रिस्पॉन्सेस पढ़े हैं सबने लिखा बढ़िया चल रहा है, गुड चल रहा है. तो आई होप इट कंटिन्यूज टू स्टे एज इट इज़. बढ़िया चले सबका. और जितना भी टाइम अभी है घर पे काम करने के लिए वो बस सबका बढ़िया से रहे. आप लोग सब ठीक रहो, खुश रहो, बस. और क्या चाहिए? मस्त रहो. हे यास्मिन. Okay, I think people are joining in and I think we are good to start because it is already 7 p.m. and as mentioned, 7 baje is when we get started. Hello Nidhi. So guys, जैसा कि आपको जानते हैं कि this show is all about motivation. So I try to motivate you by giving you some examples, या फिर हम किसी ना किसी से ऐसे बात करते हैं जो हमारे को कोई ना कोई ऐसा अपना लाइफ इंस्टेंस बताता है जिससे कि हम लोग we feel self motivated and then we try and achieve जो हम करना चाहते हैं. So I think the theme remains the same. It will be as always motivation. Hello Sanchit. मैंने एक कोट पढ़ा था अभी थोड़े दिनों पहले, while I was doing some research, जिसमें लिखा था the secret of getting ahead is getting started. मतलब कि अगर हम स्टार्ट ही नहीं करेंगे तो आगे कैसे जाएंगे? So I think that is what is the motive, right? We got to start from somewhere to reach somewhere. So hi Shubham, hello Bhavika. So it is important that we start. तो वो जो if you guys remember last episode में we had a conversation with Vibhor where he mentioned कि वो चिंगारी बहुत ज़रूरी होती है. Hello Nutan ji, if you can send me the request also, I will keep it safe. Okay, I have it. Thank you. Okay, so I think वही बस मैं बात करूँगा. और हमेशा की तरह जैसे कि मैं हर एपिसोड की शुरुआत करता हूँ एक गाने से. So I'm going to start the same way. इस बारी का जो गाना मैंने सोचा है या जो मैंने something that I'm going to attempt is one of the most difficult songs that I've never sung it पहले. So I'm going to try and do that. Hello Aman, hello Darpan. ये गाना जो गाया गया है वो गाया है the legendary A.R. Rahman ने, and then it had multiple singers. So keeping up to that will be a little difficult for me. Akash Kunal, hello. Thank you Darpan. So it is going to be a little difficult. So I'm going to attempt it. क्योंकि मैंने आज तक कभी गाया नहीं. So let's see how it goes. For you. खुदा अपने वलियों से होता है राज़ी, मिलेगी ये दर पे हमें सरफराज़ी। यहाँ दिल से मांगो ये हाजी अली है, खुदा के वली है। शाह समंदर इब्ने हैदर, शाह समंदर एक नजर, पिया हाजी अली, पिया हाजी अली, पिया हाजी अली, पिया हो, पिया हाजी अली, पिया हाजी अली, पिया हाजी अली, पिया हो। तुम समंदर के धनी बाबा हाजी अली, बाबा हाजी अली। तुम समंदर के धनी बाबा हाजी अली, बाबा हाजी अली हो। है तुम्हारा दर दर मुर्तजा, मुर्तजा बाबा। पिया हाजी अली, पिया हाजी अली, पिया हाजी अली, पिया हो, पिया हाजी अली, पिया हाजी अली, पिया हाजी अली, पिया हो। दो मोहम्मद मुस्तफा के नाम का सदका, दे दो नाम का सदका। कोई भी मायूस इस दर से नहीं लौटा, बाबा कोई नहीं लौटा। किसके दिल में क्या छुपा है सब तुम्हें मालूम है, किसके दिल में क्या छुपा है सब तुम्हें मालूम है। आपके फैज़ो करम की अर्श पर भी धूम है। बाबा हाजी अली, बाबा हाजी अली। सुनो हम गरीबों की इल्तिजा, हम पर करम कीजिए। पिया हाजी अली, पिया हाजी अली, पिया हाजी अली, पिया हो, पिया हाजी अली, पिया हाजी अली, पिया हाजी अली, पिया हो, पिया हाजी अली, 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 पिया हो। हाजी अली, पिया हाजी अली, पिया। थैंक यू। बहुत सारे कमेंट्स थोड़े थोड़े मैं पढ़ पा रहा था बीच में। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबडी जिन्होंने भी लिखा। थैंक यू पवन जी। बहुत मुश्किल है ये, तो इसको गाने के बाद थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स करना पड़ता है। थैंक यू शिराज, थैंक यू प्रेरित। ओके गाइज, थैंक यू सो मच जितने भी लोगों ने लिखा है यहाँ पे। आई थिंक इट इज़ टाइम फॉर मी टू call upon our guests today. Thank you, Baji. So there are two guests that we have. Hello, Sanchit. Thank you, Sanchit. One of the guests is an she's an educationist, and she's a founder of a beautiful NGO called Jan Jagrati Education and Culture Society. And the other one is a very famous, now an ex-RJ, Sukriti. So आप लोग उनको अभी भी, I'm sure by you know her by the name of RJ Sukriti, but now she has a different page on Instagram and Facebook. Instagram pe you can follow her, by checking Hi Sukriti. So that's her page. So we'll get to know a little more about them from them. Hello Anubhaji, hello Kanika, hello Sachin, thank you. So I am going to take them live now. I already have their request. So Nutanji, if you can hear me, I am going to take you live, actually both of you, now. Hello.
Hello, hi.
थोड़ा सा नेटवर्क इशू है, ऐसे ऐसे घूम रहे हैं, गोल 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 गोल, but it is better
No,
now.
but we can see you.
So I can see you both. That's cool. Hello,
Okay,
hello
so
to both of you.
nice. Hi.
Sorry, I missed it. क्या बोल रहे थे आप?
I'm saying hi.
Hello. Okay. तो नूतन जी, सुकृति, मैंने थोड़ा थोड़ा आप लोगों के बारे में बता दिया.
जी हमने आपका गाना भी सुना है.
गाना भी सुना, बहुत अच्छा था. हाजी अली से हमने शुरुआत करी है, बहुत अच्छा है. वेरी गुड.
Thank you.
मैं अभी हाजी अली गई भी थी लास्ट ईयर जब बॉम्बे गई थी, and it was an experience. It was an experience. There's so much of positivity there, and you feel the presence of a divine presence there.
So I've never been to Haji Ali, but जितने मेरे फ्रेंड्स, जैसे कि आपने अभी बताया, जितने भी लोग गए हैं, they've all they all have the same comments.
It's a divine presence.
Right.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Okay, तो हम अब आपके बारे में थोड़ा थोड़ा जानते हैं, but थोड़ा ज्यादा बताना चाहते हैं अपने दर्शकों को. So let's start with नूतन जी first. आप अपना छोटा सा कोई brief introduction दीजिए.
जी, first of all, thank you, Sarthak, for inviting both of us. Okay, and I know Sarthak for like now almost 10 years. Like there's no day-to-day interaction with him, but I know him because ये मम्मी के साथ काम करता था, और मम्मी इसकी बहुत प्रेज करती थी कि उनका जो भी फंक्शन होता था वो संभाल लेता था. और मम्मी यूज्ड टू बी एब्सोल्युटली केयरफ्री, एंड शी यूज्ड टू टेल मी कि सार्थक है और काम हो जाएगा. सो ये तो मैं सार्थक को जानती हूँ. इज वेरी डेडिकेटेड एंड वेरी फोकस्ड इन लाइफ. एंड मेरे साथ ये है कि मम्मी पापा के बारे में थोड़ा सा बता देती हूँ कि मम्मी ने और पापा ने दोनों ने ये एनजीओ शुरू किया था फरीदाबाद में, वेरी क्लोज टू सार्थक्स हाउस इन सेक्टर 29. और उसके बाद बहुत बढ़िया एनजीओ था वो, और उसमें वो गरीब बच्चों को, अंडर प्रिविलेज, आई विल नॉट से गरीब, अंडर प्रिविलेज बच्चों को वो एजुकेशन देते थे फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. बट फिर ये हुआ कि मम्मी पापा दोनों चले गए, और उसके बाद उनका जो एनजीओ था वो मैंने सोचा कि दिस इज द ओनली लेगेसी विच आई वुड लाइक टू take over and forward. So I started the same pattern at Noida, because I stay in Noida. So here also I'm teaching around 100 children, and they come on my terrace and we teach them in the evenings, and we get them admitted to schools, different schools, government aided school, private schools, whatever their capability is. And we have our this self-defense classes of karate, which girls and boys both are enrolled in them, and they are learning. There are certain girls who are black belt as well, because we have been doing this for past 6 years now. And then we have our stitching school, and in stitching school also we are making children self-reliant. okay, so that they can earn for themselves.
Unfortunately, we can't hear you. It's still some network issue again.
So many 30 people now. Yeah.
Okay, you're back.
Yeah,
Yeah.
network issue.
Network issue. So I was saying that in Noida we have a stitching classes as well, और वहाँ पर लड़कियाँ सीखती हैं stitching, जो क्योंकि भी हम चाहते हैं कि वो self reliant बने, okay, and lead a life which is financially sound and a life full of respect. So we are doing 3 things at the moment in Noida, and this is all for my parents, all for my parents. Okay, so this is what it is.
Lovely. Kudos to you.
Thank you, thank you.
बहुत ही कम लोग इतना selflessly इतना अच्छा काम करते हैं. So I think if you are doing it, it's a great thing to do.
Thank you,
यहाँ
sir.
पे मेरे यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसे मतलब रिश्तेदार भी हैं जो people who stay in Noida. So I'm sure
Okay.
they wanted to know कि
All
नोएडा में
right.
कहाँ पे.
I'm in sector 21 Noida, Jalvayu Vihar. They can come and visit me anytime they like. Okay.
Perfect, perfect. Great.
Thank you.
That's very noble. Thank you so much. आप इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हो. And I think it's a great platform to to tell people what you're doing, and then so that they can also come and get connected to you.
Well,
Great.
yeah, get in
Superb.
touch. And in fact, during these difficult times of COVID, we have also been giving a dry ration to the people, the daily wages of Nithari. There's a Nithari village, which was infamous few years back. So there also people are there. And then this Sadarpur village in sector 45. So we are giving them whatever we can. So their people have been so good and so supportive. One message I put to them, and the money keeps pouring in, the ration keeps pouring in. So we arranged it and delivered it to people. So by now, I hope these difficult times get over very soon. I'm just praying to God. But till now, we have given dry ration to almost 900 people of Noida.
Wow.
So we are trying to make a difference to the society, and that's it in these difficult times as well. So that's what I want to tell you, Sarthak, is that if you have a purpose in life, so I'm really grateful to my parents that they gave me a purpose, although it was very difficult for me to accept that they are not there. You know how mom went away, it was so shocking, and so quickly she went away, and all of a sudden. And but I feel now that after these 6 years that I have got a purpose in life, and I want to be absolutely dedicated to that purpose.
Awesome. Great. Thank you so much, Nitin ji.
Thank you so much.
इतना अच्छा बोलने के लिए, इतना अच्छा समझाने के लिए.
टीचर है ना, तो सब जाते. आदत पड़ी है.
Yeah.
Okay, so Kriti, let's hear from you.
Yeah. So मैं honestly इतना कोई selfless काम तो नहीं कर रही हूँ, to be honest, and I am not like of course mom's an inspiration, but I don't think I'm an inspiration. So I am an engineer by qualification. I have an engineering degree, but I never really. I actually got a job in an engineering firm, and I didn't take that up, and I took like the other job instead. So I started my professional journey with a private radio station in Delhi, and I RJ'd there for about 5 years, I think. Yeah, 5 years. And जब मैं RJ कर ही रही थी उसी दौरान, somebody suggested, why don't you make videos? And I'm like, okay, fine. I mean, I can try. So there used to be this segment on radio that I used to do on radio, but I thought, ये तो मैं video पे भी कर सकती हूँ. So exactly the same thing I did on video. The first video got me like decent number of views. So मैंने कहा ये तो सही है यार, I can do this. I never thought that I will, मतलब आगे जाके मैं ये video ही बना रही होंगी. So I was like, ठीक है, one video did well, then second and third. Also I realized that at that time maybe लोग इतना video नहीं बना रहे थे. and maybe that's why I started getting a lot of views and stuff. So धीरे धीरे करके I used to go out and talk to people. My initial videos used to be Vox Pop. We call it Vox Pop, wherein you just go and talk to people, right? कि अच्छा आपको इसके बारे में क्या लगता है, आपको इसके बारे में क्या लगता है. So my initial, I think about 10-15 videos were this only. मैं बाहर जाती थी CP में, Connaught Place in Delhi, and I used to just talk to people and just come back and then edit it and put it out. But then I realized इसमें बहुत मेहनत है, because when you go out and you talk to people, right, and then if you approach say about 50 people, about 25 of them को तो लगता है कि आप कोई सेल्स पर्सन हो, कुछ बेच रहे हो, तो वो आपको बोलेंगे no, we don't want to talk to you, and especially when you see camera and all. So then you realize that you talk to 50 people, then about 20 of them give you the right answer or something, but the answer that you were expecting or some funny answer, and so फिर मेरे को लगा कि इसको तो बहुत मेहनत है, so why not make some videos at home only. So I started making these videos at home. I remember the first video that we actually made was on Teachers Day. I used to make a lot of videos, but मुझे याद है Teachers Day था. I was like, what can I do on Teachers Day? So I thought, let me do teacher dialogues. So I was like, some dialogues that we have all heard, right? That pin drop silence and write in your notebook 100 times, all this. So I did a lot of videos like that. And so when I did my first video shoot kiya, I remember we went to a school, a primary school, and I just recorded dialogues, like back-to-back dialogues. It was a 1.5 minute video, and I put it up on the 4th of September. The 5th of September is Teachers' Day. And suddenly, I don't know, people maybe related to it a lot, or there was this trip down nostalgia or something. Ki wo itna share hua, by the time, I think within 24 hours, it had some 1 lakh shares and a million, more than 24 million views, and I was like, oh my god, ye kya ho raha hai? And then that's when I realized that people really want relatability, so if you can give them relatable content, something that they enjoy or something that they have experienced or they feel or they experience through the day, so they will definitely like it. Of course, if you can add some funny twist to it, or you can just put some masala on it, so it just takes it a notch higher. But I was like, ये तो मैं कर सकती हूँ. Then I started making those videos. अब ऐसा है that social media, of course, you're also on social media, and a lot of people nowadays are on social media. Social media is very ambiguous. You don't know कि क्या चलेगा, क्या नहीं चलेगा. So and nobody has this. किसी के पास वो घोल नहीं है कि आप पी जाओ कि भाई अब तो आप के views आ जाएंगे, है ना? So you have to. It's totally hit and trial. So there are some videos that you expect will do well. They don't do well. You feel कि यार इसमें तो मैंने इतनी मेहनत की थी, इसके तो views ही नहीं आए. And there are some absolutely random videos that you just feel कि मैंने क्यों बनाए, but they sort of get so many views. So you never know what people, which mood they are in and what are they expecting. But so that's it.
Okay.
So that is my journey.
So, I want to add here is that it is always the road less traveled, which makes you famous. So I think she took the road less traveled, and which is, we can see the results.
I don't think I'm famous or anything. I'm just doing what I like.
But I like, yeah.
You're definitely famous, because अभी मैं नीचे पढ़ रहा था यहाँ पे जो while you were talking, people were saying, I love your content, you make great videos, I follow you on TikTok, YouTube, and everywhere. So
that's really sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you. These, in fact, such comments, and when people tell you that we love your content and we were having a bad day and we watched your video and we really liked it and now my mood is, I think this is greater than any fame or any money that you can ever get. I think comments like this just make you feel like you're doing the right thing. So I think, so thank you everybody who's writing that you please keep watching.
Please keep watching.
Yeah.
Okay, so one of my sisters says your energy infectious.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I can read that too. Rachita Mathur says that. Thank you, Rachita. So sweet.
That's lovely. That's lovely one.
So sweet. It's come from her, so it's like I've got it. हमको hereditary मिली है. Hereditary मिली है.
So energy runs in the family. You also know it. So that's it. But no, of course, hats off to her. Kudos to her. She is like you are. I told in the beginning that you are absolutely dedicated and focused. That she is. till the time she's done her video, she's done the recording and then editing, and she's not posted, she will not take a breath also, you know. So that's what it is amazing. I mean, of course, you need to be passionate about the work which you are doing. Then only you can be satisfied from the heart, you know. Yeah,
True. चलो थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ते हैं, बहुत सारी बातें कर ली.
बिल्कुल.
So this is going to be a talent round. Now, Sukriti, we know your talent, but
yes.
Nutan ji.
Oh my God! Let's see what talent do I have.
Is there something which is hidden, which people don't know?
Okay. Which people don't know what they don't know. Basically, I'm a teacher and very fun-filled, and that's it. So
नहीं, यहाँ पे पढ़ाना थोड़ी है.
पढ़ाना नहीं,
बिल्कुल
नहीं पढ़ाना.
कुछ और.
Okay.
Do you sing by chance? By any chance?
See, I'm not a very good singer or anything. Yesterday, only one of my friends sent me a song, so I'm really being. But it's a difficult one. It's a difficult. Mohammed Rafi. Okay. क्या था वो? मेरा दिल मचल गया तो. थोड़ा सा ही गा सकती हूँ. Very difficult song it is. Very difficult. But it's on my. It's on these days on. Like I've been. Mumbling it, singing it. So it is आपके क्या था? भूल गई. आपके कहाँ तो कुछ जरूर क्या था? Okay, I'll sing some other song. I'm forgetting that song. See, this has always been my very favorite song, so I'm going to sing it. Okay. चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. रोते हंसते बस यूं ही तुम गुनगुनाते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. बस only this one.
Nice. अरे ये तो सच में हिडन टैलेंट है यार.
एक ही गाना गाया है जिंदगी में.
नहीं, it was nice.
So I'm forgetting the other one, which is my favorite. Yeah, let's see.
ठीक है. Let's move on to the other candidate.
Okay, yes. Me. I can't sing. I'm a very bad singer. I think, मतलब लोग भाग जाते हैं जब मैं गाना गाती हूँ तो. No, seriously, I'm really bad. मेरा सुर और ताल बिल्कुल भी मैच नहीं करता.
सार्थक के फरीदाबाद करना.
So I think I'm really bad. But my hidden talent is कि मैं एक eyebrow हिला सकती हूँ.
Okay. करो.
Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Oh, I think it's this one. Yeah, okay. See, that's why I did that. और मैं अपने सर और कान भी ला सकती हूँ. You want to see? Okay.
All right.
Okay. Yes,
yeah, I think मेरे को सर्कस में जॉब मिल सकती थी.
Actually, सर्कस बंद हो गई हैं आजकल, वरना मिल जाती. Yes, you had an option.
So एक वीडियो इनैक्ट कर दो कोई सा भी, whichever is your favorite.
Whichever is my favorite. Which is my favorite video? I like all my videos.
That's a good question.
Yeah, that's what I said. I like all my videos. So I think I'm going to enact a teacher's video only because I think I like doing that. Okay. So suppose you are my teacher. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so you are my student. Sorry. Okay, let's go. क्या? Dialogue करो. Okay. Yes, you. Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling? Is there a joke? Yes. इतना ही कुछ फनी है तो पूरी क्लास को बताइए ना कि जोक हम सब हंसेंगे. Why are you laughing alone? You. Where's your homework? What? Write in your diary, I am a fool 500 times. Okay, okay. So yeah, that.
मुझे तब तक समझ में आ रहा था जब तक सब कुछ नहीं चल रहा था.
Okay, okay, okay. Great, great.
Awesome.
मैं
Cool.
खुद ही कह रही हूँ great.
नहीं, आप मुझे कह रहे हो ना great. I was acting well
Yes,
too.
you are a great student.
Great student, yes. Absolutely.
Cool. Okay. Let's move on. थोड़ा सा और.
Yeah.
I have a rapid fire for both of you.
Yay!
So we're going to get a
I'm
hamper.
going to get coffee hamper.
उसके बारे में डिसाइड करेंगे, वो मैंने सोचा नहीं अभी तक.
Decide करेंगे who gets it. Yeah. And when also.
Yeah, okay.
अच्छा, तो the rapid fire will go as this. पहले जवाब देंगी नूतन जी.
Okay.
So
जी,
question,
बिल्कुल.
जो क्वेश्चन चलेंगे वो ऐसे चलेंगे.
Okay.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
So first question to you, second to you, then third to you, fourth to you.
Right. Got it. Okay.
मैंने उस हिसाब से बनाए हैं एक्चुअली, इसलिए.
अच्छा, क्या बात है. Okay.
ठीक है. Okay. First question for नूतन जी. What do you cook the worst?
Worst. I cook the worst is bindi.
भिंडी.
It's okay. All right, guys. Yeah.
Okay, so we gotta make it quick, right? हम एक दूसरे से पूछेंगे नहीं कि ये सही है या गलत है. Okay.
बिल्कुल पूछिए. Quickly. Okay.
Your question. Favorite place to party?
Yours.
Home.
Okay.
Ooh.
Most cherished memory.
Most cherished memory is which one? I have such wonderful memories. You know, when I learned to ride a bicycle when I was a small girl. Yeah, that's really cherished. I mean, that feel, that sense of freedom. You know, that still I have it in me, and I learned it in Roorkee. You know, a small place near Saharanpur. So there I learned. I have total, full, clear memory.
Okay, perfect. अच्छा, हमारे को इतना सारा explain नहीं करना है because it's a rapid fire.
Okay.
Next question. Color of your toothbrush.
Purple.
देखो, तुम गलत बताओगी तब भी किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा, so it's okay.
No, इसलिए मैंने इतना सोचा, मैंने कहा purple.
Good. Whom do you admire the most?
I admire myself.
मैं अपनी favorite.
मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
Wow. Okay. Favorite day of the week?
I think आजकल तो all days are the same, so yeah.
All are favorite.
All the days. Every day is Sunday. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Do you snore?
I sometimes, yeah. Sometimes when I have a sound sleep, then yeah.
Good.
Then others don't have sound sleep.
Yeah.
Okay, Sukriti, how good are you in keeping secrets on a scale of 1 to 10?
Very bad. I think 1 or 2. Yeah,
Okay.
मतलब मेरे पेट में नहीं रहती बात. मेरे पेट में ऑलरेडी बहुत खाना रहता है. वो बात
जगह नहीं बचती. Okay, Nutan ji, what is in dinner tonight?
Dinner tonight, we are swigging it.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, Sukriti, how often do you cry?
Lord, I'm a very emotional person. The last time I cried was I think day before yesterday when we were watching this movie called Chittu Ka Birthday, and I cried a lot. I cried a lot. In happy occasion and sad occasion, मतलब यहाँ रखा हुआ है मेरा में तो बस. Yeah.
Okay. Nutan ji, a word that starts with Q.
Q, queen.
Yes, I was expecting it. Good. So Kriti, would you go for a movie alone?
Yeah, I've gone also.
Acha.
Yeah, even I have.
Nice.
Even I have. Yeah.
Okay. Something that you're really good at.
I good at talking. Bus.
You are.
Very good.
Yeah, you are.
Nobody can get bored with me. Nobody can.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Who is your 4 a.m. friend?
Lots of them actually. Lots of them.
Okay. Lots
Yeah.
of them.
So-
Okay. Nutanji, your first job.
My first job was in APJ School, Jalandhar. That was my first job. Yeah.
Okay.
As a teacher. Yeah.
Sukriti, most used app in your phone.
Instagram
Of
is
course.
the most. Yeah.
Okay. Nutanji, the most expensive gift that you've ever given to your husband or received from him.
An iPhone. iPhone.
iPhone? Okay.
iPhone 10. Yeah.
Lovely, lovely. Nice.
Uh,
Sukriti's biggest fear.
Yeah. I think बहुत सारे हैं यार.
The biggest बताओ.
Biggest pause is I don't know. I can't really think right now. Sorry.
Okay. Chalo, ठीक है. We'll come back to it again.
Okay, I'll think.
Nutanji, have you ever watched a war, a real war?
Yeah. Yeah.
You
I
have?
have. Yes.
Really?
When I was in Chandigarh as a small child. Okay.
Okay.
So I remember the 72 war between India and China, I believe, or Pakistan. I don't remember which country, but I remember we used to put on the windows. We used to cover the windows very nicely with a thick cardboard paper, and so that no light comes in at night. And we were not allowed to switch on even a candle also. And we had made those barracks, and we used to go and hide in them. So I've seen an actual war. Yes, as a small child. So I have memories, a little, if not very many memories, but few memories I do have. We were in Chandigarh.
Wow, ये question तो hit हो गया. मुझे लगा था इसका जवाब होगा ना. Never, never.
I have. You can ask my brother also. He also remembers a lot. You know, कि इसमें घुस जाते थे. We used to in the afternoon we used to see those bunkers also. कि कितना गहरा है, कितना है इसमें मैं लेट जाऊंगा, उसमें बैठ जाऊंगा types. You know. So at night we used to hide in them. Yeah, we've seen that. Yeah, that bad times also. Yeah.
Okay.
Even the bad times in Jalandhar also we have seen those 82 the terrorism time and everything that when Papa was posted in Jalandhar. So yeah, we've been through. Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Seniors.
Last question of the rapid fire for you, Sukriti.
Okay.
Your favorite RJ?
My favorite RJ has to be Naved. I actually interned with him when I was interning with Radio Mirchi. I used to intern on his show. So whatever little radio that I know, I have learned from him. So I think he is the best. Who actually, I mean, I've said this a lot of times. He's actually the Chalta Firta school of radio. So yeah, that.
I think everybody loves him. Whosoever listens to
Yeah.
him knows
Yeah.
he is just super awesome.
Right.
Okay, perfect. I think you guys did pretty well, except
Thank
one
you.
question. So Nutanji wins the rapid fire.
Oh wow! Thank you, Sarthak.
Okay, now it is time for our audiences to request something
Awesome.
from.
We've also got audience. We've got our dad here. He wants to say hi.
Hi.
I can't see you. Hello.
Hi.
How are
Hi.
you?
Good, you tell me.
I'm good, thank you.
Where are you right now?
I'm at home,
Faridabad.
Faridabad.
Which sector? It's a live concert. Okay, bye. See you.
Okay.
Okay. So अभी जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे हमें देख रहे हैं, guys, you have the opportunity to request Sukriti to do something that you like the most of her. कोई सा वीडियो जो you like the most, कोई act you love the most, कोई show that you remember. शुरू हो जाओ टाइप करना, तब तक हम नूतन जी से एक और गाना सुन लेते हैं.
हाँ, एक बार.
Okay, the first request is cooking video from Kanika. You remember, Sukriti?
Cooking video?
You've done so many of cooking.
There are so many cooking videos, I know.
हाँ.
अच्छा, दूसरा है बारिश वाला वीडियो जो आपने अभी अभी बनाया था, घर की छत वाला.
हाँ, वो this is actually it actually all my videos are very true stories only. So बारिश वाला वीडियो तो was actually I didn't plan it also, but जब बारिश हुई तो इतना पानी जमा हो गया हर जगह कि हमें literally like we had to clean the drain and we had to sort of use the wiper and stuff. तो मैंने सोचा कि यार जब बारिश हो रही थी तब तो मूड ही अलग था कि वाह वाह व्हाट अ बारिश, अब गर्मी चली जाएगी and all that. But after that it's like what the hell यार, इतना humid हो गया. So I thought let me just make a video on this and let's see. And I think a lot of people related to it कि हाँ ऐसे ही होता है कि जब बारिश हो रही थी तब तो ये मौसम की बारिश and all that, and उसके बाद it's like क्या से क्या हो गया. So I think that was truly inspired from real incidents. And
I think,
the cooking one that you're saying is I made a lot of cooking videos, and I think I especially in the lockdown, I think I've been obsessed with cooking Maggie. तो मेरे सारे videos वैसे ही होते हैं. And then once I realized कि यार जब आप दोपहर को बाहर जाओ तो टंकी का पानी बहुत ही ज्यादा गर्म होता है, right? So especially when you're trying to take a bath or something, it's hot like crazy. तो मैंने कहा फिर then I thought कि इससे क्या वीडियो बना सकते हैं. So then I thought to myself कि अच्छा गर्म पानी में क्या क्या होता है. I thought there's Maggie, right? So then I made this cooking Maggie in summers, which was just like गैस की जरूरत नहीं है आपको, आप सिर्फ मैगी और मसाला डालो and टंकी के पानी में रख दो, वो उबल के बन जाएगा. So I made a video on that also, and I think yeah. So
अच्छा, किसी ने लिखा है AC turn on वाला.
AC turn on वाला कि मतलब हाँ, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है एज अ किड ऑल्सो आई रिमेम्बर जब मैं AC जब हम स्कूल से वापस आते थे, बिकॉज हमारे स्कूल्स में AC नहीं होता था जैसे आजकल के स्कूल्स में होता है, बट जब हम आई रिमेम्बर जब हम वापस आते थे तो हम AC ऑन करते थे, एंड यू नो that हवा on the face used to be like जन्नत, right? So it used to be like oh my god what a हवा. And then मुझे याद है कि हम बहुत सारी चीजें इनैक्ट भी करते थे कि अच्छा चुन्नी लेके आओ, फिर वो चुन्नी उड़ रही है, and you know we are in a Bollywood movie and stuff. So I thought चलो इसको भी एक वीडियो बनाते हैं. That was totally unplanned. I thought कि actually honestly मेरे पास उस दिन कुछ था नहीं बनाने को, तो मैंने सोचा चलो let me just make this, just make a very random meme. तो मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है, तो फिर मैंने ऐसे करके लाल दुपट्टा उड़ गया and all that I made.
And actually, Sarthak, every days is this like around 3 to 4. She thinks about it. अब क्या करना. Some thought comes to her, and perhaps she discusses also with her friends, or friends also discuss with her. So they come up with an idea, and every day.
And all my videos that I've shot in this lockdown have all been shot by my mom only.
Yes.
So she's been the videographer, and so yeah. So I think मैं नहीं कर पाती अगर if my mom would not have helped me. So I think मैं lockdown कोई videos नहीं बना पाती. So it's all thanks to you.
अच्छा, मुझे एक याद है जो मैंने अभी थोड़े दिन पहले देखी थी. I don't know if you remember it, but how my mom remembers my friends.
Yeah.
I love that. I love.
Thank you. How sweet. That's true. But this is true. You know, a lot of times.
Absolutely.
Actually, not just moms. I think we all remember people by really weird and weird things. In fact, I think ये एक psychology का theory भी है कि जब तक कुछ you will only remember the
Something
day.
really.
You know, you will only remember a day if something big has happened in that day or something different has happened in that day, right? जैसे आज का दिन हम याद रखेंगे because we went live with Sarthak, right? Because it was something different. So I think लोगों को भी हम वैसे ही याद रखते हैं. अगर वो normal होंगे तो आपको शायद याद नहीं रहे. But you know, if you like, अच्छा उसकी नाक निकलती रहती थी, अच्छा वो गिर गई थी वहाँ पे, you know, so you remember people like that, right? So I thought, let me just put it out in the video. So
Right.
Okay, Sukriti, please say hello to all your fans. My sister says that.
Shrishti M11. Hi Shrishti and hi to everybody. Please don't say that you're fans. We're all friends. I
Oh,
think
yes.
so.
Yeah.
Fan nahi hai hum koi bhi. We are all those. So, thank you for watching videos and for liking them. And I think your feedback matters the most. So thank you.
Yeah. Really,
Great.
thank you.
Sukriti, do you want to actually tell how many people do you have? You know, how many people like you on Instagram, on Facebook, and I'm sure you have a count.
I mean, अब फॉलोअर वो काउंट दिखाता तो है उसमें से एक्चुअली कितने फॉलो करते हैं ये नहीं पता मेरे को कि कितने लोग तो वीडियोस जा रहे हैं कितने लोग लाइक कर रहे हैं सो आई डोंट नो बट दैट नंबर इज देयर but I think like I told you in the beginning also I think more than the numbers it's those messages that people send ki acha especially in this lockdown a lot of people have been sending me messages ki you know हमारा लॉकडाउन आपकी वीडियोस की वजह से it was bearable and you know it is bearable so I think these messages really make a difference and that's actually one of the motivation to make a video every day कि अच्छा you know maybe even one person is sort of getting motivated or getting happy by seeing a video then I think my work's done so वाह कितनी अच्छा मैंने politically correct आंसर दिया but
Yeah, it's right.
No, I think more than the videos, I think what people relate to more is the content of the video. So because it is relatable to everyday thing that we do.
yeah
So I think वो लगता है कि अरे ये तो मैं भी करता ही हूँ या मैं भी करती हूँ.
Right.
So
that was the
we just
aim you know because बहुत बार you know because I think when I was starting off also बहुत बार ऐसा होता था कि a lot of people remember some content creators because they do a character कि अच्छा ये किसने character किया तो मुझे वो याद है उसने वो character किया but I don't really have a character so मुझे बहुत बार ऐसा भी लगता था कि यार मतलब should I come up with a character I tried a lot of characters also they didn't really work but I thought कि यार why to have a character you know if I can just play on relatability I think it's good enough so that but I still keep thinking of characters so guys if you have any suggestions you can tell me
I know.
but yeah
Right.
So guys, you've just heard Sukriti asking you for suggestions.
Yes,
तो बस
yes.
शुरू हो जाओ.
please go ahead
Okay. Wow, this is too much. बहुत मजा आया. Love it when you enact as your mom.
yeah
Oh,
actually my the mom character or the mom whenever I try to be mom is nowhere close to my real mom my real mom is very different from the mom that I play in my videos because I try to get a lot of desi angle into and a lot of not exactly rugged but desi pun जो होता है वो I try to get in the video which I think mom is not she's not at all desi
oh my God, I'm Videshi.
she's very videshi and hot so in fact शुरू में मम्मी ने बोला भी था कि मैं तो ऐसा नहीं करती मैंने कहा this is not you it's just a mom it's just
I think you did a video also, you know, Desi mom versus foreign moms.
Yeah.
कुछ ऐसा था ना कि वो था कि I need some space ऐसा कुछ था.
I did say
Yeah.
that's again that's inspired from real that is also like relatability
Relatable, yeah.
Yeah. In Indian
Doing
household,
characters.
how much
space do we want and you know so I was amazed so many people commented कि this is so true you know and then I was like अच्छा इतना तो मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था and then people are like the only place we get space is in the bathroom and I'm like yeah maybe so I think yeah that's there
I think each word is जो भी आप sentence बोलते हो उसमें there is one word that relates to the next video. So मुझे एक और याद आ रही है बाथरूम वाली 2021 वाली.
yeah
2021 हो गया.
yeah वो तो मैंने खुद देखा है मैं जब फोन लेके जाती हूँ मैं बैठी ही रहती हूँ बाथरूम में मतलब it's like yeah
I think
all of us.
That's not
I
only
think
you.
all of us. Yeah.
All of us.
yeah
फोन में कंटेंट ही इतना होता है टाइम तो लगता ही है ना.
Yeah.
आजकल इतना बना
आजकल है, not too much, yeah. You don't want to miss out anything, you know.
Absolutely. और वो सबसे पीसफुल जगह रहती है तो
Nobody disturbs you.
you get all your space yeah I think people should
Okay,
invest in making bigger. People should invest in making bigger bathrooms and less smaller drawing rooms, so that they so that they can relax. Sofa wofa भी लगा देना चाहिए bathroom के अंदर. लेट के आ रहे हैं.
अपने रूम में एक नहीं लगा देना चाहिए साइड में पॉट,
है
अपना
ना?
पूरा
हाँ,
कंट्रोल.
वो भी हो सकता है. वो भी हो सकता है.
ओके परफेक्ट. एक और था जो मुझे याद है, गोइंग टू वर्क आफ्टर लॉकडाउन. मैं काम कहाँ करती हूँ?
Yeah.
I got- मतलब योर एक्सप्रेशंस इन द वीडियो वर जस्ट आउटस्टैंडिंग. जो लास्ट का एक्सप्रेशन था ना,
Thank
Yeah,
you,
yeah.
thank you.
Awesome.
That's
In fact, I don't. मुझे ऐसे कभी-कभी लगता है that I am like that only in real life. You know, those expressions are not for videos or anything. They are just me. In fact, a lot of my friends tell me कि तू तो खुद ही चलती फिरती meme है. You know, you don't make memes. Me. I'm like, yeah, and then, you know, maybe I thought to myself, like, yeah, मतलब ये जो मेरे expressions हैं, it's they really, I'm telling you, there's no exaggeration there. I am like this only. So in the video, it looks as if I am अच्छा, I'm exaggerating, but मैं ऐसी बात करती हूँ.
right.
I think that is why you know people are able to relate easily, क्योंकि वो fakeness नहीं है. That comes naturally. The way you are acting is natural. So I think that's great.
Thank you. How sweet.
अच्छा,
Very nice. Thank
नूतन
you.
जी ने मुझे एक चीज बताई थी तुम्हारे बारे में, and that was you actually won something in acting somewhere. Oh, network again.
Yeah. Are you
Okay,
there?
we are back.
Yeah. I'm saying actually that was actually a deciding factor in my life. I have to go to this field because I remember this was in Goa and we'd gone for the Channel V India Fest and actually I'd gone for the RJ Wala competition, but I didn't win the RJ Wala competition. Somebody else won it. And then we were leaving, and by the time I had sort of become friends with, you know, the people there and stuff, and they said, Kecha, there's also this acting one. Do you want to do it? And I'm no actor. I've not done theater or anything. So I'm like, मैं क्या करूँगी? It's like, नहीं, there's this wildcard entry, you know, you can join on the spot, so, you know, give it a try.
Yeah.
I'm like, अच्छा ठीक है कर लेती हूँ, not that I'm doing anything else. I'm like, ठीक है, let me try. And वहाँ पे तो people को देख के I was intimidated. I was like, okay, what is happening? And people had, you know, people were all dressed up, and you know, they were all theater professionals. तो मैंने कहा, हाँ, अच्छा, मैंने कहा चलो try कर लेती हूँ. And I remember this actor Vijay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we are back. But हमने कुछ सुना नहीं आपने क्या बोला. I'm sorry.
नहीं कोई बात नहीं. I'm saying so. There used to be this director Bijoy Nambiar. He was the judge, and सबको ना there were 6 people in the finale, and सबको एक topic मिला था to sort of enact. And I think that's when I enacted, and I won that competition, and I was like, चलो. Maybe this is but मैंने इसे छोड़ दिया. I didn't really think about it. I think only later now when I think back I'm like अच्छा हाँ मैंने उस time भी तो acting करी थी. Maybe I had that in me, and you know, so yeah, that.
That was an amazing
Okay.
experience. Even I was with her.
Yeah.
So it was amazing, you know. I could, when she was acting, you know, Sarthak, when she was acting, I could see people's reaction there. Everybody was glued like this, you know. I said, now she's making a point, you know. So then she won it, and yeah, that is it. Yeah.
Good. Okay, my sister says, you like this or RJing more?
Actually you can't compare the two. They're very, very different. RJing is purely audio, and you have to play with audio. Here तो video के साथ. Obviously, I think जब video होता है तो it's like an added advantage because people can also see you when they hear you.
Yes, sir.
But in radio is called it's actually called the medium of imagination. You know, because when you say something and you can only hear somebody's voice, आप अपने दिमाग में इमेजिन करते हो कि अच्छा ये स्टोरी कैसी है, राइट, बिकॉज यू कैन सी इट. So it's very different, to create that audio experience for someone. So I think in terms of difficulty, yes, I think radio is a lot more difficult. In terms of what I enjoy more, I enjoyed both of them equally, and I can't really compare.
Right. Both
Okay,
are good.
perfect. So, guys, we are on time. It is 7:55.
Awesome.
55 मिनट इसलिए रखता हूँ मैं क्योंकि ये 1 घंटे के बाद ऑटोमेटिकली डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाता है, तो आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू दैट ट्रैप कि ये चुपचाप अपने आप चला जाए. सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू से थैंक यू सो मच बोथ ऑफ यू.
Thank you. Thank you.
आई थिंक इट वाज एन अमेजिंग सेशन. जितने भी लोग अभी तक भी हैं,
पता भी नहीं चला. We really enjoyed.
Yeah.
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू एवरीबडी फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. थैंक यू सुकृति, थैंक यू नूतन जी. आई विश आपके वीडियोस ऐसे ही अमेजिंग करें और भी आगे.
Thank you. I
you
hope आप देखते हैं और दिखाते रहे लोगों को.
And we wish you luck
और
for
नूतन जी.
Why High.
Yes.
Amazing concept.
Thank you.
And I'm sure you're going to do wonders. It's going to be a hit program, hit live very soon. We call it program only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chat show.
Chat show. Very good.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank
नूतन जी,
you.
थैंक यू
All
सो
the
मच
very
फॉर
best.
शेयरिंग जितना भी आपने you talked about the NGO. So guys,
Yeah.
you've heard her. In case you are interested, थोड़ा बहुत कुछ भी, we're not talking monetary here, but anything that you can do for the NGO.
Anything you
कोई
would
help.
like to, you want to be attached to us, you want to be connected to us, you want to donate something on your birthdays, anniversaries, or anything, you're most welcome. Okay, anytime you want to go to the stitching school and teach them the hygiene kind of thing, anything, you want to, you can.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. So a
Thank you
final
so much.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
so
you.
much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.